Hello, this note is about how to simplify an expression that has more than one radical or root. Now, if there is no number, then it's a square root, meaning it's a 2. But we don't try the 2. We just remember that it will have 2 as a root number. So the first thing to do is simplify everything we can, which means take out as much as we can from under the root. And to do this, we divide the inside power by the outside. The whole number is the outside, the remainder is the inside. Meaning, so here is the 3. Then, if we look at 3 divided by 2, the 2 goes into 3 once, remainder 1, which means we have 1x. 1x on the outside and 1x on the inside. For the y, 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, remainder 0, which means we have 2 y's on the outside, none on the inside. Z is to the first power, 2 does not go into 1, so we leave the z on the inside. Now the next term, we have 5xy. The x is already to the first power, but the y, if we take 2 divided by 2, that means 1 extra y on the outside. And the z is still on the inside. And then the last term is minus 4. We have x, 2 goes into 2 once. We have 1x on the outside, none on the inside. And then y and z are to the first power. Now, y times y, of course, is y squared. So we have 3x y squared square root x z plus 5x y squared square root x z minus 4x square root y z. Now, in order for us to combine, we have to have like terms. And the like terms have, the only thing they can differ by is the number on the outside. Everything else must be exactly the same. All the letters on the outside and all the powers on the outside and the inside, everything has to be exactly the same. So x, y squared, square root of x, z, z. These are like terms because they only differ by the number. And we can count. If we have 3 of these items plus 5 of these items, that makes 8 of the x, y squared square root x, z. But this term is different, and so we cannot combine it with the first 2. We just copy it over, and we're done. This is the end of the example. And that's it for how to work with multiple radicals. We simplify each one the most we can, and then we'll look to see which ones are like terms, and we combine them. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please let me know, and take care.